Let's go.
Ride the Grim, best airsoft YouTuber out. Holy cow.
Best. Okay, what's wrong?
Keep your head down. Keep your head down. Tradesies. Dead man coming out. Dead man coming out. Pachu, Pachu. You're out. Pachu.
That was a good exchange in there, man.
Yeah, it was. Thank you. Kill house, kill house. Lots of money in Stampede Benny. I'm almost out of ammo. I tell ya, attackers get semi-locked, defenders get full.
Yep. But we're limited to lives.
Yes. Four lives, 3 respawns.
Yep. Play this.
Here they come. They're coming.
Oh.
They're coming.
Yep. There they are. Look at them. Holy shit. Bro, you better call that.
My gun's not happy right now. Jeep. Hit!
I just got nailed again. Watch here.
Where else?
James, you're hit. Put your hand up. Give me the satisfaction. I hate when they just walk away.
Binary counts though.
Nice shit.
Got him. Fire in the hole. I'm trying to get it figured out. All right. You want to throw it? Pull the pin and just throw it somewhere. See? That was a 10-second timer.
That was a lot faster than 10 seconds.
Yeah.